Oh, why was about us, Josh? No, I went to
You're not even awake, Josh. Say what's up, guys? It's Levi.
And Tia.
And Tia.
And what do Tia?
I don't know. What are we doing?
Oh, make a tornado, a bottle. Tornado bottle.
Tornado bottle.
Let me see instructions.
Instructions.
Tornado.
We got some instructions.
Instructions.
Yeah.
Easier to the edge.
Are you able? Can you do it?
Yeah.
All right. You gotta go like this, and then you flip it upside down. All right. Make sure the camera can see.
And put it here, under the edge. And go. One tornado.
Whoa, a tornado.
Orange. We wanted the orange. Orange.
Orange.
We wanted the orange. Orange tornado.
Orange tornado?
Yeah.
What about the red tornado?
We're eating cup of the video. Right? Cup of the video. But ready. But right now. Cup of the video. Oh, take the video.
Take a video with what?
Cups.
With K-pop?
Cup of video.
Which one do you want?
Reindeer.
Reindeer. How'd you know that was a reindeer? Show them the reindeer. Show the camera.
What is that? What was it about this number? And today, what was the Tia?
Today you're trying a reindeer cake pop.
What the cup over here?
Where's that from?
Reindeer.
Where's this?
Starbucks.
Starbucks. I got a cake pop from Starbucks.
Okay.
All right, you gonna try it?
Where the chairs?
Cheers.
Okay.
It's not expecting me the whole thing in one bite. You just stuck the whole thing. Is that good? What would you rate it out of 10? That's a good rating.
Okay.
You're the phone, man.
Hi, you've reached the Bento. If you'd like to leave a message, we'll call you back. Thanks. Bye-bye.
All right, Levi, can you say bye? Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Bye.